Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Deborah. Today I am here to share with you. Today I bring for you so beautiful, quick hairstyle for black lady. So today I bring for you. This is really so beautiful, quick and nice. Oh, if you want something quick, if you don't want to sit on salon like 4 hours, 5 hours, it's better to use this fashion or this hairstyle. So once again, welcome to my channel. So guys, if your first time to find the channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like for more beautiful hairstyle. I'm always here to share different hairstyle. So guys, you can see it's so quick. So if you cannot sit on something like 6 hours, 4 hours, you can use this method. But be careful about gel. So it's better to sometime to use gel, but don't use always on your hair gel because it can affect your hair. So guys, this is really so beautiful. This is wig. So you're going to learn here how to put on your head wig for yourself. I think you can see. If you cannot if you cannot do it for yourself, you can go to salon to find someone who can put it for you perfect so that you can look so elegant, beautiful and cute. So you can see now this is really so beautiful. So guys, you can see it's number one, it's quick. Number two, if you put on the wig on your head, if you find someone to put on you on your head, so it can make sense sometime like if you don't want to sit on salon long time, and if you want something makes you feel comfortable and at the same time you feel so beautiful and elegant, you can use wig. So guys, you can see if the same thing, if you don't want to use wig, you can plait it on your hair like here without wig. So guys, you can see it's really so simple, quick and elegant. I suggest you, if you cannot do it yourself, it's better go to salon to do it for you. It's better to go on salon to do it for you so that you can feel so comfortable and elegant. And it's, I think if you find someone to put for you, I think it can be stay longer. I think so. If you can do it for you, that's really so nice. As you can see, once again, welcome to my channel. If your first time to find this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. So God bless you more. Don't forget to drop your comment. Your comment is important to me. So if you can drop your comment down there. You like and share. If you like the any style here, you can share. So you can see this. You can see guys, it's really quick, but you can see she's really looks so elegant. She's looking so beautiful. You can see her. Yeah, look at her. It's really so beautiful. She looks so beautiful, elegant, and cute. So if you even you find something, so this one, if you don't want something like you don't have some heavy things on your head, you can come and use this. So guys, enjoy the video up to end. I bring for you 9 hairstyle for ladies, 9 elegant ladies. So if you want to look always cute, beautiful, nice, you're going to find here. Quick hairstyle, you're going to find it here. So you can watch the video up to end so that you can choose something good on you. You can this even this one is really so quick and beautiful. You can see. So guys, enjoy the video up to end. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and click the bell. If I posted any video, just to know when to get a notification. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. God bless you, man.